Hey guys, so today we're going to be opening the Sea Monkey's Magic Castle. Let's see what's inside. So we've got the aqua leash. This will help us stir the aquarium and give oxygen to the water. We got pouch number 1, pouch number 2, instant live eggs, pouch number 3, growth food. We have our little spoon and stir. The instructional sheet. We have a little magnifying glass that goes on top of the aquarium. And here is our magic castle. And there goes the magnifying. So the first thing I'm going to do is rinse this. Before we fill it with water, I'm actually going to rinse it. It's always good to rinse any plastic before you use it for animals. So give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Alright, so we have this fill line right here. And I have distilled water. We're going to fill it up to that line. So we're going to use distilled water this time. Last time we used half distilled water, half spring water. Perfect. So today we're going to actually put in the packet number 1 water purifier, and tomorrow we're going to put in packet number 2 instant live eggs. We have to wait 24 hours. And then about 5 days later we feed our growth food. I'm going to use our aqua leash to stir and aerate. A little more in here. Now we're gonna have to wait 24 hours, and tomorrow we can put in our instant live eggs and watch our sea monkeys hatch. Just a quick tip. In the packaging, it mentions that pouches 1, 2, and 3 are made in the USA and all other parts are made in China. So that's how you can make sure that your sea monkeys are authentic and they're made by the proper owner. Now I did go ahead and put the Sea Monkeys Magic Castle next to our 2-week-old Neon Ocean Zoo sea monkeys, and this is where we're going to store our sea monkeys. And I'd really love to call them by colony names. Still haven't named them. If you guys want to help me out, make sure to comment down below with any colony names. Still need a name for the Sea Monkeys Magic Castle and for the Neon Ocean Zoo sea monkeys.